First question. A good resin/resin mix for minis, not too bendy, not too brittle.
Really good resin that's not too bendy, not too brittle is Wargamer by FauxHammer, and yes, that's 3D printed. This is our own. It's made specifically for miniatures and to emulate plastics, but no, in all seriousness,
all we can say is that everything is printed beautifully. I've had some great results with some minis. I've had great results with some bigger prints using different profiles.
Not one model was damaged on arrival. Check this out. These models just bounce. I reckon they're even tougher than GW plastic. It's mental.
I can see all like the bits in his hair, teeth came out clearly, all the bits on the rope and everything, all that texture that I would expect from a good resin is there, which is fantastic. Yes, it's probably my favourite resin to use for miniatures now.
It looks like the feel and finish is very close to what you're getting off the sprues.
Wargamer resin really makes it appear like a plastic mini off of a sprue.
From the minis that we managed to print off in the session we've had together, they do feel like that. Like there's flex to them, they don't snap, and they feel great.
Say, this does have a feel like, well, like any other sort of miniature that I bought from Games Workshop.
The most customizable, friendly resin that I have ever used.
Printing experience with this resin was not the best I have ever experienced, and that is because I didn't read the freaking manual.